To begin, determine the height of the supply outlet box. A normal height is 36 inches to 42 inches from the finished floor to the bottom of the box. Next, install nailing brackets to the box. Align the box with the measurement on the stud. Then secure the outlet box to the studs. Solvent cement the drain pipe into the box hub. Next, solvent weld the P-trap. Now secure the water lines into the valve bodies. Turn on the water, running it through the drain to check for leaks before you install drywall. Lastly, connect the water supply and drain hose from the appliance or fixture to the outlet box valves. Once all connections have been tightened, run or cycle the appliance while checking for leaks.